Hi, it's Lipstick Gal. Thanks for watching today. I wanted to show you what came in my Sephora VIB Rouge Haul. Okay, so don't ever do this, because I just did this. I'm like, what are you doing? I just used my brand new Tweezerman tweezers to open the box. I need to keep like an actual pair of scissors here, but oh, this box is huge. I can't remember the last time I ordered from Sephora and ended up with a box this big. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. All right, so on top, you know what? First of all, it's a sample, and I hate that they went from 3 samples to 2 samples, but that's fine. And the samples that I requested, of course, have run out, so they just threw in random stuff. I have the RMS Beauty Peach Luminizer here, and then the Genifique Advanced from Lancome. I used to use the Genifique, I don't anymore, and I hate foil packet samples of skincare. All right, so let's see what we got in the box. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, one thing that I knew I needed another one of was the Olaplex number 3. This has really been crucial in helping me to rehab my curls. I feel like, like my legit curls are coming back. They really, really are. And it's from using this once a week. So I will continue to use that because I straightened my hair for years. And the top layer is kind of unhappy, but the bottom layer, I definitely have some real significant curls underneath because that layer is the shortest. And anyway, so continuing to love and use the Olaplex number 3. I can't use any of the rest of the products. They either have sulfates or silicones in them, which I'm not using in my hair, but this doesn't have either of those, and I love it. All right, I got a foundation. And if this is looking familiar, I also just did earlier today, a foundation kind of wear test for the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, but I've been wanting to try this one from Mercier. This is the Flawless Fusion. I have this. This was something I picked up while I was on vacation. This is the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, but I wanted to try the Flawless Fusion. So I think what I'm going to do is decide which one of these I like best and take the other one back. And I wish I lived close enough to a Sephora that sold Mercier so I could get a sample and not have to do this. But you know what? We will. I picked up this. And I feel like it's time to just start singing the Aina, Jackie. It's not me, but I love Jackie Aina so much. I love her frankness. I love the way she represents just women in general. I just feel like she's so strong and so fabulous that I was like, And I really do like supporting collaborations between influencers and beauty brands. And I already am hugely in love with products from Anastasia, especially their eyeshadow palettes. The one thing I will tell you, come out please. So there is a bit of a difference. This is definitely more hollow and more textured, but this is pretty too. Oh, I love it, I love it. I'm gonna make sure, oh, we survived. Every single one of them in here is beautiful. I know you've seen this probably everywhere, but I'm so glad to have it. We'll do a look with this later. I do have several of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, and there were so many that came out this year that I was like, oh, that's not for me. Oh, that's not for me. Like the Riviera palette, I don't wear colors that are that bright. I also, although I love Alyssa Edwards, I also don't wear colors like that, and I would love to have it, but realistically, it's not something I would ever really use. And then the new Norvina Volume 1 that is about to be released or just got released, I don't wear colors that bright. I love colors that bright, usually in clothing. So I'm glad to have this Jackie Aina palette because it does have some beautiful colors. It has some incredible pigmentation, and we'll play with it later. All right, the last makeup thing I got was this. Now these are the minis from Pat McGrath, and these little mini sets that come like this are usually only $25 a piece. And I have been wanting to try these balms, and I thought, what better way? I have so many lip products. First of all, paying $40 for one of her full size is a lot. I do have quite a few of her full size lipsticks, and they went from $38 to $40 this year. Fine, that doesn't matter. But with as many lip products as I have, there's no way I could justify getting 2 of these full size even during the sale. So I love these little sets. I do have a set of the Matte Trance in the bold colors, the reds and the pinks, and I like it. So I thought I'd pick this up. I'm gonna wait to open it because first of all, my tweezers can't open that, and if I could, sequins everywhere. All right. The Brazilian Boom Boom Cream from Sol de Janeiro. I love this stuff. I'm almost out of the jar that I have been rationing like a crazy person since I bought it in, I think it was November when there was the fall VIB sale. And I love this. I got a sample of this in one of my BoxyCharms. Hello. I love it. And it's a lot. You get 8 ounces, well, 8.1 ounces, which is a lot. But the truth is, if you use it every day, all the time, all over, you're going to go through it quickly. And I'm sure that's how it's meant to be used, but I'm like very carefully rationing it because $45 is a lot. And let me tell you, this year, if they do another one of those really tall ones that's like double size for, I don't know, what was it, $70, $75, I'm totally getting one. I hope they bring that back this year for holiday. Fabulous, but I'm so excited to have this, and I can finish up the last little dregs of the one that's in my, I'm running out of space. Okay, water bottle. Oh, do you like my water bottle? I've got the kids from Stranger Things all over here. Here's Steve, the Scoops Troop, 11 with her Eggos, the Hawkins AV Club. This always reminds me of Indiana Jones, and what was it, the third one, where Indy and his dad are like wrapped up together. And then Robin, she is my new favorite character with the You Rule, You Suck. So, okay, water bottle on the floor. Totally random. All right, last thing in the box. This is brand new. This is from Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So I normally, oh, again, okay, that's the box. Goodbye. I'm back to my tweezers. I shouldn't, but there's tape on here. Can you just let me open a box without having to have it sealed? Okay. So I had always wanted to try their avocado sleeping mask, but I never got around to it before they reformulated. And with their reformulation that just launched a week or 2 ago, they reformulated with encapsulated retinol, and they released this product at the same time. So in here, you get the cutest little baby plastic spoon. It's adorable. If my daughter found that, she'd use it to feed her dolls. And this little teeny tiny eye sleeping mask. So normally I would not use retinol during the day, but I need a new eye cream. I am like to the dregs. I maybe have 2 days left of the one that I've been using from Estee Lauder. I don't like that one from Estee Lauder. There's a different one. I don't remember any of the names right now, but the one that comes in the taller jar with the little plastic wand applicator, I like that one. And the one that they released last fall that's supposed to help with anti-blue light, I don't like that one. It's not hydrating enough. So I like the idea of this. I'm looking through the ingredients for this little guy here, and this is just kind of the ones that pop out to me. We have, of course, the avocado oil. We have avocado fruit extract, squalane, niacinamide. We have rice extract. We have vitamin E with tocopherol acetate. We have coffee fruit extract to help depuff, and hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronate. So 2 different types of hyaluronic acid just in the first, third of the ingredients, as well as retinol. So there's shea butter, there's citric acid, there's safflower seed. Looks like there's a lot of really good stuff in here. But the reason that I got this is I've been wanting to try more of the Glow Recipe stuff. I know that the watermelon products, the pink juice and the watermelon overnight sleeping mask, those, although they're okay, they're not my favorites. But I thought that this avocado line would be more in line with what my skin needs are now that I'm in my mid-40s. So this product here has encapsulated retinol, which will release at a slower rate and not be quite so aggressive in the way that it treats your skin. But they do say that you can use it during the day as long as you layer an SPF over the top, because retinol in the sun does bad things to your skin. So I am going to use this at night. I didn't want to get a different eye cream for during the day. I didn't want to be that high maintenance. So I'm going to use this during the day, and I am going to use a sunscreen over it. And if I find that I am having problems and irritation, I will use it only for night, and I'll get a different eye cream. So yeah, excited to have this. Doesn't really matter, but I love how there are avocados on the inside of the box. Super, super cute. I'm putting everything back in the box because I'm not quite ready to dig into this. And I have been known to, oh, something new. I open it up, especially skincare, and then I never finish up the other one. And I'm only like 2, maybe 3 days away from finishing up my other eye cream. This one's gonna wait till then. If I put it in the box, it's safe and away. So this is everything that came in this box. I have one other item coming. It didn't show up as available for purchase until the sale was partway through. And it's the new single of Benefit's Cookie Highlighter. I've heard nothing but good things about that shade. A lot of people love it, and Mel Thompson cannot stop talking about it. She says it's one of her absolute favorites, and she can't wait till it becomes a single. And I was like, please, during the sale, I would love that, because those box blushes and highlights and bronzers, those are all $30 a piece. And when you can get $6 off of that, I'm here for that. So that's coming in another, like that's the only thing I purchased that I didn't get with this. All right, so 6 products. These were my needs. I love that I think that the Boom Boom cream is a need, but it is. I needed a new eye cream and I wanted to try something new. And these were my wants. Foundation, the lip balms, and this Jackie Aina palette. I am so excited for this. Oh, so excited. All right, so I will let you know how things go. I like to do updates based on recent purchases, how things are going. Do I still use them? Am I still impressed with them? All of that as we continue on. So give me, I don't know, 4 or 6 weeks, and we'll check back and see how these things are doing. But I do know that these two, used them, love them. These are already, because they are like at the top of my must-have list. Thank you so much for watching today. Would you do me a favor? And if you aren't subscribed, would you please? And if you are subscribed and you really enjoy watching these videos and you have a friend who you think would like it too, would you share my channel with them? I'd really appreciate that. I hope you have a fabulous day, and let me know in the comments below if you picked up anything during the VIB sale. What did you get, or what did you wish you could get but you were like, I have too much, I can't. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.